Hi, my name is Sami Akwesija, and this is my submission for Project 2 Commerce. The first specification of this project is to have at least 3 models created in Django in addition to the user model. The models that I made were the listing models, model for bids, a model for comments, and a model for the watch list. If a user is signed in, they should be able to create a listing. And as you can see, I'm signed in as the admin, or the username has admin in the title. And I'm going to create a listing. And when I create a listing, I need to be able to specify the title, the description, the starting bid, and supply a URL if possible. And then also give it a category. By default, the category is other, where you can pick any category that you want. And then hit submit, and it should take me to that listing page. The default routes of the web application should be the index page of the active listing. So if I go to this web address, it will take me to the active listings page. And each listing should have at a minimum the title, a description, the current bid, and an image if it was supplied. Clicking on the listing page should take a user to that specific listing. If the user is signed in, the user should be able to add it to their watch list. I'm going to go to this listing here, which was posted by Draco. And I can either add or remove it from my watch list. And then I should be able to make a bid on the item, which should be larger than the current bid. So for example, if I put in $10 and try to bid, I will get an error saying the bid has to be greater than $11. So I'm going to put in a bid for $12, which will then make me the current bid. And then a user who's signed in should be able to add comments. I hope I win. And then hit the comment, and then when you scroll down, it's there. So I'm going to log out for a second so I can log back in as the creator of that post. And as the creator of the post, I should have the ability to close the listing, which would then make Sami Admin the winner. So I'm going to close it, and it's no longer in the active listings page. So when I log back in, if I go to my watch list and go to that particular listing, I will be told that I was the winner of the auction. And then a signed-in user should also be able to go to the watch list to view different items that have been added to their watch list, and it's much of the same things there. And then a user should also be able to go to the categories section to view listings that fall under those categories. Majority of the categories will be other, since that's the default category, and the user has the ability to pick it. Lastly, should be able to go to the admin interface and make changes to different things. So for example, in the listing that was just one, as an admin, I should have the ability to be able to put it back on active status. And if I go back to the index page, it will be back up for people to be able to bid on, which it now is. This was my project, and this is CS50. Thank you.